Here are answers for review quiz question number 12. So we need to figure out the mass of water produced when 20 grams of hydrogen gas reacts with excess oxygen. We have a balanced equation, so we don't have to write one. That's nice. Our given is here, our 20 grams of hydrogen gas. Our wanted is here, mass of water. So we're going to go ahead and go to railroad tracks, starting with our given, 20 grams of hydrogen gas. Step one is always going to be to convert our mass to moles. We do that by dividing by the molar mass. We put molar mass in grams on the bottom, so that grams on top and grams on bottom cancel out. Molar mass of hydrogen gas, hydrogen on the periodic table is 1.008, but we've got two of them. So make sure that we multiply by 2. That's going to give us 2.016 grams per mole. That's going to allow us to cancel out grams on top and grams on bottom. We're left with moles of hydrogen gas, which is a good start. But I don't want hydrogen gas. I want to flip to water. So we're going to use our coefficients in the balanced equation. Anytime we have moles, we can use our mole ratios, the coefficients in the balanced equations, to flip chemicals. I have hydrogen here on the top. I want it to go away. I'm going to put it on the bottom. I want to flip my hydrogen into water, put water on the top. There's a 2 in front of H2, and there's a 2 in front of water. So now I have successfully canceled out hydrogen gas top and bottom. We're left with moles of water, which is good, but I want mass of water. So we need to do one more step. I have moles here. I want it to go away, so I want to turn my moles into mass. So I'm going to put mole on the bottom so that top and bottom cancel out. I'm going to flip my moles into grams. I do that by multiplying now by the molar mass. So I'm talking about water. Water is 2 hydrogens, so 2 times 1.008, and 1 oxygen, which is 15.999. 2 times 1.008 plus 15.999. We add those up, and we get a grand molar mass, 15.015 grams per mole. Sorry, 18.015 grams per mole. 18.015 grams per mole. We can now cancel out moles on top and moles on bottom. We're left with grams of water, which is exactly what we want. So now we just need to calculate. A couple options. We can do 20 times 1 times 2 times 18.05 divided by 2.06 divided by 2 divided by 1. Or we can do 20 times 1 divided by 2.016 times 2 divided by 2 times 18.015 divided by 1. Either way, we should get an answer that looks like 178.728023881. Lots of decimal places. Check sig figs. We get to keep 1, 2, 3 sig figs. There are 3 sig figs in our given. So we're going to keep 1, 2, 3 sig figs. This final sig fig is an 8. I'm going to look at one more decimal place. That 7 is going to round that 8 up to a 9. So 179 grams of water is our final answer.